Hey, what is up guys, welcome back. Captain here, back with another video. So today video is little bit different from my daily tech news video. You probably know I just upload a smartphone and other gadget news, but in this video we cover the most searched topic on a YouTube, and it's how to increase my YouTube subscriber. And a lots of people start YouTube but they don't know how they can increase their views and subscriber fast. 90% people fail because they don't know, and they quit YouTube after 1 week or after 1 month after work. So I will tell you the fastest way to increase subscriber and views. If you like this video, like it and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. If your video get views, you will automatically get subscriber. So what kind of video we make to gain views and subscriber? And my answer is make videos on a trending topic according to your niche. Like my niche is smartphone news. I make mostly a video on upcoming smartphone. Like in these days, the upcoming smartphone is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and the iPhone 12, and the latest launched smartphone news I also covered and their detail. So I follow the latest news and make videos about on that specific topic. So how I know this specific smartphone is released or that gadget is coming on the market. So what I do, I follow the biggest tech website like the GSM Arena, the Verge, and the bbc.com, and the Gadgets Now, and the last one is the bgr.com. These are the biggest website according to my niche, because they post a tech news and upcoming latest smartphone news. And actually I see what topic, what's on trending on these websites, so that I make video on that specific news and specific smartphone or specific gadget, and I get views and subscriber. I follow these websites because these are according to my niche. If your channel is different to my niche, like your channel is about education, health, cooking, you follow the trending topic according to your niche and make up videos on that topic. You will get views and automatically your YouTube channel gets subscriber. That's the most easiest way to grow your channel. Follow the trend and get subscriber. The second thing I tell you, that make sure to make a quality video that user spent more time to watch your videos, and YouTube will rank your videos. And when your video received more watch time against your competitor videos, your video rank on the first page on a YouTube, and you will get more views and more subscriber. That's it guys, this is the simple and easiest way. Follow the trending topic, and trending topic give your channel boost to grow up. Follow these tips and grow fast. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you have any question about this topic, and like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out, bye bye.